develop, we can create some microbes. Here we need 10 varieties of soil under the plants. So 2 from oxygen absorbing plant, 4 to 5 from the food plant, apple, and blackberry we should collect, and 2 plant from the medicinal, and 2 plants the bitter leaf plants. So we need at least 8 to 10 soil from these kind of plants. So we are here 3.
Can add more.
Yes, we can 3, 4,
whatever it is.
minimum. We are the purpose to prepare this biofertilizer, because in the soil gradually by application of chemical fertilizer and excess application of pesticide and fertilizer, so the microbes population is going, like they are in hibernating stage, somehow they are in dead condition. Where there is no microbes, it means there is the soil is moreover is dead soil. So to dead soil to a live soil, if we want to make, always I would say we need microbes and we need some organic carbon, or you can say it biomass or what else. But yeah, for information, for 1 acre means 4,000 square meter, we need 200 liter of this solution, this fertilizer. So but here I don't know, this is 20 liter means
500
Yes,
liter,
it's
1
20.
hectare, bro.
yeah.
500 liter, 1 hectare.
Okay,
100 liter.
100 liter, 5 acre, 1 hectare.
Yeah.
A handful of the soil we will put only here. So from each soil we add the handful of soil here by one.
Zany fomba hamelomana azy, omena sakafo bebe izy dia atanjaka be dia avy eo io rano io zany no aparitaka amin'ilay tany. Velomina ilay microbe ampitomboina.
Okay, then add some powder, at least 500 gram of.
Inside what?
Send some gram.
Ao anatiny atao manjary maty ilay mandehany. Zavatra microbe zany.
It's too big. And the medicinal plant and some beetle leaf plants. Minimum 10. Then put yogurt with and milk and some molasses. So molasses, some micronutrient is there in molasses, and molasses act as the transporter, means that will feed to the microbes and increase the microbes population. And in the milk and this yogurt, some bacteria and live bacteria are there, like lactobacillus bacteria, and that population also enhance. That lactobacillus bacteria is like fungal bacteria that will also beneficial to kill it. All them will act as the predator, like they will kill the other non-beneficial bacteria. For all absorbing bacteria will die. That's why we have to put this, and other non-beneficial larvae or eggs that will not enter into this. So don't put in the sunlight. It's ratio 1:10. Yes. Good.
3000 mètres carrés.
Tem luna de vale, still.
Ah,
Aduh,
dia
mantap.